Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Super Swing Shooter. Today we're going to take a look at a stock called ACI Worldwide Incorporated, ticker symbol ACIW. As always, we're going to take a look at the monthly chart first because that's the highest time frame. It's in a clear uptrend with a very strong area of demand. Down here is pretty wide, but nevertheless, it is still giving us our 2 to 1, almost 2.5 to 1, so it fits our rules. It made the strong move that we wanted, so all we're doing is waiting for the pullback, and as many confluences that you can find it to be is even better. It's got this EMA acting as floating resistance, this strong zone located down here, but it could be as wide as here. So just because there's a strong zone EMA support doesn't mean that it's going to bounce from here. It could penetrate deep and then retrace, but nevertheless, this is the whole zone that we must consider. On the weekly, this is what we have. We have this zone that was taken out, but then we have this zone down here that we are interested in going long. So we have supply right here, supply right here, demand down here. Okay. The daily is kind of challenging and it's a mess, but since we have this kind of price action, all what we want to really do is find our zones that's located within the higher time frames, and it will be this one down here. Okay, so this is the zone located down here. Now, as you can see on the weekly chart, these zones are not that good. They're not the greatest. It could bounce off of here and then go up, or it could penetrate all the way down here into these zones, or else you can just take this zone, because this zone has the gap. It gapped up and then base gapped up, strong candle. So this gap is really strong as well, and this zone right here is located right here. So if it breaks this zone, it could go deeper into here before it's going to rally. So what I would do is probably do like a small position here, and then maybe do half position here and then another half position, because it could bounce from this zone and go up, because this zone is located where the floating EMA is located. And just remember, guys, I'm not a professional trader or a financial advisor, so please make your own trading decisions based on your own research, based on your own technical analysis. So just a recap, monthly is an uptrend, weekly uptrend, supply zone created here, and demand down here. Now, as I was saying on the daily, you could take this zone, but since the basing is not that great, I would probably take a zone lower down here. Okay, 4 hours, same thing. You could probably take a zone, probably the zone all the way down here, probably. Okay, so we'll see if price gets down there, and I will see you in the next video. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified of new stocks videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love.